Hello class, my movie and presentation will be on the FITT formula. Last week we talked about how moving from a sedentary lifestyle to an active one is important and some of the advantages of that is. We also discussed what the FITT formula is. Quick recap on the FITT acronym. The F is frequency, which is how often. The I is intensity, which is how hard you perform. Time is how long you perform that activity, and the T is for type, which is the kind of activity you are performing. For the project-based learning assignment, students will be broken up into groups. Each group will consist of 2 students. Each group will create a plan to help another person meet their needs and what they are trying to accomplish by using the FITT formula. Each student is responsible for a part of the project. They can break that down into each student takes 2 parts of the FITT formula, meaning one student could take the F and the I, and the other student could take both the T's. Both students must present during the presentation recording. For the assignment, students are allowed to use images and/or videos to help support their project. Example could be a diagram. They must also discuss what the image represents as well as it pertains to their project. An example of a diagram could be the physical activity pyramid. So basically, if you had a jogger that's already jogging and they run their mile in under 6 minutes and they're trying to cut down their time to maybe 5.5 minutes, then in your plan you could say that since they're already a good runner, they may need to work on their flexibility and stretching for 3 to 4 days a week, 10 to 30 seconds of each muscle group with 2 to 4 sets. And that could increase their flexibility, and in return they could cut down their time to run that mile quicker. Students will be using the movie maker, but first they will start by creating a PowerPoint and then importing that PowerPoint into movie maker. They will have to narrate their project as if they were in class presenting in front of their peers. The last thing students are required to have is a reference page citing any sources they used, whether that's from a book or online, and any images they used. They will then save their movie and submit it to our online page under the tabs assignment listed as Movie Maker Project.